Hi everybody, it is Laura and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know, this is Confident Notions and it's a channel, do a lot of unboxing videos and haul videos and mild rant videos too. So today I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I'll be honest, I've spent way too much time and money in Dollar Tree recently and it shows. So this is the haul that I got the other day. I'll be honest, I went there this morning too and I bought some more stuff, so that's going to be coming in another video. So one of the things that I want to check out, I've been seeing a couple of dollar store haul videos which were pretty cool, and there are some things that I was kind of on the lookout for, and also a couple of things that I had purchased previously that I wanted to get more of. So first up, because Christmas is coming, I constantly look out for like stocking stuffers and such and so forth for my toddler. So one of the things I did find are these Daniel Tiger Read to Me books. They only had 4 of them there, but my child is Daniel Tiger obsessed, and every time she goes to the library she insists on checking out these Daniel Tiger books. So they had 4 of them there, all different ones. She can't read, but she loves looking through the pictures because they're big and bold, with lots of tiger in them. So I thought these were super cute, so I bought the 4 different ones that they had. I'm gonna wrap these up and put them in her stocking for Christmas. I also got her 2 pairs of holiday socks. These were really cute. One of them has little sloths on them, and then this one, I think it just says, oh, it says My First Christmas on it. It's her 3rd. These are, come on y'all, these are 18 to 24 months and it says My First Christmas on it. Well, I guess it's good that she can't read, so there you have it. I also got her some other things, either for, I don't know, I might give them to her now if we need an activity. I'll probably give them to her now, let's be honest. This one was a sticker activity funny face book, and it's full of like face stickers and hats, and then you put them on these horrifying blank-faced creatures. So I thought that was super cute, and she likes stickers. She likes taking the stickers off. She can put them on there. And then there was also this jumbo coloring book activity. It's got some stuff in it. So this is Santa Paws with a bonus holiday gift tag in there, which she don't care about. So loves to color. So for $1, I'll buy all of her coloring books at the dollar store. I also picked up another arts and craft activity. This is a little tote bag with markers on it. She loves markers and trying to put markers all over the place. So I think I bought her this for Thanksgiving, and I bought her a Halloween one, and she just likes to draw on it and then just carry around some crap and put it in there. I also got some more crafts, and that is the Holiday Cheer paint set. And so all of these have little paint things at the bottom that you just have to put a little water on, and then you can paint. She loves to do that. She loves to do arts and crafts. I have a 3-drawer thing in the dining room that I fill with like arts and crafts stuff that we can do. So when I see stuff like this at the dollar store, I put it in there, and then if we need an activity, we go pull it out. And the other activity that I bought is this felt ornament kit. So it's a gingerbread man, and it comes with some felty pieces that we can glue on. So I thought that would be a fun activity for her too. So kids stuff. So we got kids, and then we got some fur kids. I stopped and got some Temptation little treats for the cats. The cats would be thrilled to have this. And then I also got a squeaky bone for our dog. I was gonna put this in her stocking. Yes, the dog has a stocking. Put this in her stocking for Christmas. My dog loves to destroy any toys that she receives, so she's gonna go straight for it and pull the squeaker out. So I don't buy expensive toys for her. I'll get stuff at the dollar store, or when the Christmas or holiday stuff goes on clearance at PetSmart, I'll go load up on it because she's just gonna pull it apart anyways, and that's how she enjoys her toys. So the cheaper the better for me. Next up, I bought these 4 coasters. We just got new end tables in our living room, and I mean, they're not real wood, right, but I still want to keep them nice, so we're like, oh, we should have some coasters. So we have some, but I saw these and I thought they were really cute. They're like blue and white, designed, naturally absorbent coasters, so I picked up 4 of those. Then I stopped over at the health and beauty section, and I got this liquid hand soap, this Klar and Danber Berrylicious berry soap. It is a liquid hand soap. Anyways, this is a big old thing. It's got a lot of soap in it. I have never tried this before. I don't know how soapy it's gonna end up being, if it's actually gonna lather up or it's just gonna be a hot mess on your hands, but at the very least, I figured for $1, if it works, great. And the other thing I always bought too, because it is illness season, is a little bag of Halls cough drops, because I don't pass it up when I see them. I also got this little tub of Dove Intensive Moisturizing Cream, and this is kind of like a, oh, it's got a cover on it, which is good. At least ain't nobody touched it before, right? Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a balm, but that's actual like lotion. Okay, all right. Anyways, anytime my hands are super dry, I've been washing my hands a lot. You'll see in my next video why, my next dollar store haul. Basically, my child came home with pink eye and I've been scrubbing the hell out of my hands and everybody else's hands. So I need some moisturizer. Let's see, I also picked up 2 of these. So another one of these Jingle Bell necklaces and the Jingle Bell bracelets. Tomorrow morning, which is Saturday, which is probably when this video is going to come out, or Sunday, I am running the Jingle Bell Run 5K in downtown Raleigh. It's not downtown, it's over by NC State. Anyways, Jingle Bell Run raises money for diabetes, and which of course is a good cause. I'll be honest though, they got a great shirt. It is the best shirt. It is a long sleeve shirt and it is nice, and I totally run races for this shirt. So yeah, I'm running the Jingle Bell Run tomorrow for the shirt, and I needed some jingle bells. Whatever. Then I also, for after my race, it's a wine glass. And it says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle, because my wine is gonna go in here after my race. Okay, let's see. The other thing I bought was some Reynolds wrap, because it is name brand. I don't buy no dollar store brand tin foil, because that shit is bad. It don't work. It doesn't foil. It doesn't do what you're supposed to do. You only buy the Reynolds wrap. And this, yes, it's a small roll, but it has an extra 20%. So yes, it is cookie season and we need some Reynolds wrap to cover it up. I also found this really cute planner that is a weekly planner for 2020. What I liked about it, it was broken out by the weeks. Here's the thing. So what I thought this would be good for, it was I could like map out my YouTube videos and think about like when I would film things and when they would post. Because here's the thing, I love the idea of a planner. I am terrible when it comes to using a planner. I'll use a planner for 2 weeks and that'll be it. And I have spent many, many dollars on planners in the past. And so you know what? If I only write a few things in this planner, it was $1. And I'm not Erin Condren in another planner. I'm not going out and doing all this planner shit. No, it's $1. $1 for this planner is the extent of what I should be able to spend on planners. There we go. Then there's some cool things that I heard a couple of people talking about that I had to see if they had, and my store had some of it. So this was the LA Colors Beauty by the Decades. I have to pick up these ones for the 20s, and this is the highlighter for the 20s, which is in the color Jazzy. I'll be honest, I was looking for a new highlighter, and for $1, I don't know, maybe it doesn't suck, and that would be cool. So let me crack open this bad boy here. So let's see here. Ooh, well, my hand is covered in lotion, but look at how highlighty that is. That might be awesome. Sweet. So we got that, and then I also got this lipstick. This is called Art Deco, and it's kind of like an orangey brownie color. They did have a couple of the other decades. Obviously, they had the 90s, they had the 80s. For the 90s, they had a lipstick. For the 80s, they had an eyeshadow palette and a lipstick. Same thing with the 70s. I like these 20 ones. I like the shades a little bit better. And, oh, that's cute. Let me swatch that. This hand's covered in lotion. Oh. She orange. Okay. Smells smells like childhood makeup. Anyways, this was a color that I thought I would like a little bit better. And I'll be honest, the 90s lipstick, it was brown. I mean, it was brown lipstick. And as somebody who spent her collegiate years in the 90s, I wore that lipstick. I wore some brown lipstick. I wore the hell out of some brown lipstick. And I can't do it again. I just can't. LA looks. But I appreciate it, but I can't do it. So, anyways, it's a good highlighter. I'm a little scared about this. Anyways, moving on. Then I also wanted to, I saw this, and this was it was like last minute gifts. Last minute gifts. And it's a hand therapy cream set, and so you get one in Vanilla Passion. All right, so Vanilla Passion and Sweet Berries. And I'll be honest, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna keep it for myself because, like I said, I need lotion. I am dry, my hands are dry, my elbows are dry, my fingers are dry. When I got my nails done today, and my nail lady, she went to another nail salon for a while, and then she's back, and I saw her for the first time today in a year, and she's like, your nails dry. I'm like, I know, Terry, I know they're dry. So, lotion. And then I also got this Sweet Cherry scented lip gloss. I'll be honest, I think I'm gonna put this in Morgan's stocking too, because she loves her a lip gloss. She loves a lip balm. She's like, I want to try mommy's chapstick. So I think I might put this in her stocking as well. So she'll be thrilled to get some chapstick in there. And then the other thing that I did get, I'll be honest about this for me, and it is Lip Gloss Surprise. And it says, you can collect all 5, contains 1 mystery lip gloss. And based off of the pictures here, apparently you can get a baby, a Pegasus, a rainbow squirrel, some brown thing, and some white thing. Now, let's open it up. People watch these, like people watch whole unboxing videos. Like people buy like 15 of these or something else, and then they just unbox it. And for me, I got holographic gloss in strawberry ice cream with what appears to be a little woodland creature. So is this gloss holographic? Oh, it's pink. It does smell like strawberries though, so that doesn't suck. Oh boy. Tastes like childhood. All right. It don't taste good. Oh God, I need a drink. Oh. Oh, this is terrible. You can't put this on your mouth. Oh, this is bad. Don't be sucked in by the cute woodland creature and the thought of a mystery lip gloss. Oh, it's gross. Oh, it's so gross. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. But in the meantime, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. So if you like Dollar Tree hauls, I hope you do, because apparently I'm not gonna stop doing them because I love them too much. So, but if you do like them and you want to see me keep doing them, or if you want to see me stop, which I probably won't, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and then you can be aware of when I post more videos about Dollar Tree haul and I make faces. So that's all I've got for today. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see y'all later.